My name is Namwaka. This is my son,
Elijah.
Yes, when I was a child, this whole area was full of forest. It was all forest. But now, the green that you see is all shrubs due to the deforestation that has been taking place around this place. That is how we decided to establish Raindrops Community Foundation, so as to plant, to have a nursery to distribute tree saplings to the community for planting in order to improve the tree cover and also to improve the soil by introducing different types of tree species that are suitable for the sandy soil.
This is the mungongo tree. It is very easy to grow. You can grow it by cuttings. So this tree even produces nuts that we use for cooking oil. It is very nutritious. This is the acacia tree. It is also easy to grow. It is also fast growing.
Yes, the acacia fixes nitrogen in the soil. That is why we are planting it. So this tree is very important to grow here in Western Province. As you can see, the sand is very barren.
This is an organic lemon tree. It was planted last year from seed.
Yes, this is one of the fruit trees that we are promoting, and we are growing them on nursery to distribute to the community because it is drought resistant and it is high in vitamin C, which is a good way of fighting malnutrition